Good morning, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Let's kickstart this Thursday with a summary of the day's most significant financial headlines. We see U.S. stock futures little changed, as investors grapple with mixed signals, positive bank earnings, escalating trade tensions, and an ongoing government shutdown. However, deal-making activity from Morgan Stanley and Bank of America, along with steady AI demand indicated by ASML's earnings, offers a glimmer of hope. Meanwhile, the overall market mood can be summed up as volatile, thanks to lingering uncertainties. Income investors are navigating a challenging landscape, with the S&P 500 yield slipping towards its all-time low of 1.12%. This trend is due to significant exposure from large tech companies with minimal dividends, such as Nvidia and Apple. But there's still a plethora of attractive dividend-paying stocks within the S&P 500, like Kimberly-Clark and PepsiCo. On the corporate earnings front, Wall Street giants are reporting record profits. JPMorgan and Goldman Sachs exceeded expectations, while tech companies led by Meta Platforms are making moves in AI infrastructure. The S&P 500 rose 0.4% as investors found comfort in these strong reports despite ongoing economic uncertainties such as tariffs, inflation, and policy tensions. Gold prices soared to new highs due to concerns over long-term inflation, geopolitical risks, and doubts about fiat currencies, with gold up 60% year-to-date. Investors seem to be adopting a buy-everything strategy in response to the unclear macroeconomic picture. In Europe, stocks climbed on Thursday, led by Nestlé's surge following strong sales growth and job cuts, while Sartorius jumped 10%. However, Whitbread fell significantly due to revenue and profit drops. The market was also impacted by an upgraded revenue target from Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing and political stability in France, with Prime Minister Lecornu surviving two no-confidence motions. As we move into today's session, U.S. stock futures are climbing, the S&P 500 and Dow Jones up by 0.4%, NASDAQ 100 gaining 0.6%. Investor sentiment improved due to an upgrade in revenue growth from Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing, boosting chip-related stocks. Notable gainers include Nvidia, Broadcom, and Micron Technology. Bank of New York Mellon rose 0.9% following stronger quarterly earnings, while Salesforce surged over 6% on optimistic guidance. Remember to keep a close eye on these market movements as they unfold. And as always, we encourage you to review your portfolios or consider dividend-focused funds like the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF or Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. Stay informed, stay ahead, and stay invested with ABR MarketWatch.